All right, today is June 25th, 2021. We're doing our one box Stadium Club break number 1. New 2021 Stadium Club baseball. Getting our first look at it. Pulling up our list now was 3 teams per spot, so we have the list down to 10 at Michael G. Copy and paste it down 2 times so everybody gets their 3 teams per spot. We got Anthony I, 2, Russell D, 2, Justin H, Jacob C, Mike M, Brian L, Connor S, and Michael G. Anthony I, 2, Russell D, 2, Justin H, Jacob C, Mike M, Brian L, Connor S, and Michael G. Anthony I, 2, Russell D, 2, Justin H, Jacob C, Mike M, Brian L, Connor S, and Michael G. Copy those names in so everybody knows they made the list. Now we got the Diamondbacks down to the Nationals for our teams. Alright, pulling that off. We're going to roll our dice. We only reroll snake eyes. Any dual autos random off between the teams at the end of the break. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Alright, we got 5 and a 4 running both lists 9 times. Starting with our names. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final. All right, we got Anthony I down to Michael G. I don't think that's going to change. Nope. Anthony I down to Michael G. Now we got Diamondbacks down to the Nationals. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final. Here's everybody's teams. Mariners down to the Tigers. Alright, sorting by name now so everybody gets their teams together. Drop any trades down below. Both parties must confirm. If they do, we'll switch those up before we get started. Here we go. We got Anthony I, Mariners, Blue Jays, Red Sox, Astros, Diamondbacks, and Giants. Brian L, Indians, Dodgers, White Sox. Connor S, Reds, Braves, Padres. Jacob C, Rays, Cubs, Twins. Justin H, Athletics, Nationals, Royals. Michael G, Rangers, Phillies, Tigers. Mike M, Mets, Rockies, Pirates. And Russell D to close us out. Yankees, Brewers, Orioles, Marlins, Angels, and Cardinals.
Hey, Joe.
How's it going?
I'm doing great. Just a question. Francis buy any Court Kings that he needs me to open up? No.
No, he's not. I don't think he's in here yet.
What?
Yeah, we're at 125. That's gonna be a good question. We'll find out in a few minutes.
Cool. You guys want to get the cases for Monday or no?
Yes.
Yeah, well,
Jerseys and
Jersey cases.
yeah, that's
What
going
are you selling divisions on eBay or?
player. It's like a, what is it, like 50-person checklist
Oh,
or
it's
something?
Pretty straightforward.
170.
Oh, it's way more. I thought it was
Well, yeah,
way
because
less
you
than
got
that.
football, baseball, basketball.
Oh, yeah,
hockey,
true. Forgot it was a
soccer.
multi.
What?
Yeah,
It's like a multi-sport?
It's a multi-sport.
Yes, he is,
it
Mikey.
TriStar or no?
Gold Rush.
Gold Rush.
But just jerseys.
Yeah,
Not
just
like a
jerseys.
magic box,
No,
treasure trove, whatever they call it.
no. What is the other one?
Select baseball.
There you go.
Oh, select baseball.
2 cases of that.
I saw the Lance 101 get pulled out of Mosaic.
Really? What did it look like?
It's a pretty cool card.
Was it amazing? What was it, a patch?
It's
An RPA?
black. No, it's just the card. I don't think they have Mosaic RPAs.
Oh, they don't?
It was
You saw it
non-auto.
live? Like
No.
in person?
Well, it was posted in one of my Facebook groups.
Oh.
It was non-auto though, so that
It was like that Justin Fields black thing. That was pretty cool, but wasn't an auto. But I guess it doesn't matter. It's a rare of a card. Alright.
All right, no trades. Let's get going.
Wait to see what these cards look like. Oh, now I get so many.
All right, so our box topper is going to be Chipper Jones going to the Braves.
I'm not sure exactly for this year. I know last year. they got-
Yeah, we got a few options up right now, Logan. Empty. No, Logan. Whenever they fill up, we give about a 15-minute warning. Send out emails for anybody anybody that's in the break. But it's just whenever they fill up, they run. We don't have set times on them. We got T1 Walker, Mike Moustakas, Kevin Biggio, Brian Hayes, rookie, Shogo Akiyama, Charlie Blackmon, red, Walker Buehler, and Joe Adell.
Have a wonderful day.
Yeah, it does. I mean, this is not down for it, but- Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know how it's supposed to be up there, but we're supposed to.
Not
It says like they don't know how it's supposed to be up there because it just says like rain every day. But
Mike Soraka,
Thank you, sir.
all right,
Quinn Young
I
Kim,
don't mind. Have a wonderful weekend.
Take care, bro.
Keegan Akin, Luis Camposano, Marcus Simeon, Joey Bart. It's a black. Max Muncy and Wilson Contreras. Nice hit for the Giants. Colton Wong, Aaron Nola, Kyle Tucker, Christian Pache. Our first auto, Mark Matthews, going to the Brewers. It's got a nice penmanship on that one. Clean auto. Congrats, Brewers. This is 2 cards. We got Ryan Jeffers, Mike Piazza, and Lucas Giolito. Justice Sheffield, Zach Gallen, Trey Turner, Zach Plesac, Ryan Braun, Max Muncy, red, Sixto Sanchez, red, Mookie Betts, and Chris Bubich. Patrick Corbin, Brandon Woodruff, Derek Jeter, Pavin Smith, rookie. Danny Jansen. Superstar duos, Aaron Judge and Giancarlo Stanton. Jeff McNeil, Reggie Jackson. Rafael Marichal, Mark McGwire, Isaac Paredes, Yu Darvish, Corey Seager, Wilson Contreras, red, David Wright, and Rafael Devers. Tony Gwynn, Brian Reynolds, Danielson Lamet, Max Kepler, Trevor Bauer, Virtual Reality, Drew Rasmussen, Freddie Freeman. We are still at 16, Ryan. I'll have to check after this. We might have sold some spots right before I got on or while I've been ripping. George Springer, Bob Gibson, Jose Ramirez, Cody Bellinger, Roberto Alomar, Johnny Bench, red, Dalton Varsho, and Jesus Aguilar. We are full on Mosaic football, so that will rip next. Tucker Davidson, David Ortiz, Clark Schmidt, Andres Jimenez, Mitch White. Got a die cut, Alec Baum, nice hit for the Phillies. Ronald Acuna Jr., Monte Harrison. Aaron Judge, Mike Yastrzemski, Lourdes Gurriel, Bryce Harper, Lorenzo Cain, Cal Ripken Jr., red, Dean Kramer, Josh Hader. Austin Meadows, Christian Javier, Sam Huff, Mike Brosseau, Ernie Banks, and Shane Bieber. VR. Javier Baez, Pete Alonso. A couple packs left. Still looking for one of our autos. Let's end it on a high note. Christian Yelich, Luis Garcia, Byron Buxton, Anderson Tejeda, J.P. Crawford, Joe Adell, red. He's a rookie for the Angels. Juan Soto, red, going to the Nationals. Luis Robert and Gleyber Torres. Dave Winfield, Jahmai Jones, Nolan Ryan, Evan White, Will Clark, Dalton Jeffries, red, rookie for the Athletics, Carlos Carrasco, and Ramon Laureano. Estevan Florial, Eric Hosmer, Luis Patino, Brady Singer, Eddie Murray, Austin Meadows, black, Nico Goodrum, and Haesung Kim. 2 packs left. Jazz Chisholm, Max Scherzer, DJ LeMahieu, Ricky Henderson. Got our second auto behind it going to the Rangers, Anderson Tejeda. We got Derek Jeter, Whit Merrifield, and Jose Altuve. Last pack to close out the break. Appreciate everybody that filled this one up. Matt Olson, Bo Bichette, Trevor Bauer, Mike Clevenger, William Contreras, Walker Buehler red, Tanner Huck, and Miguel Sano. So that is going to close it out for our first look on Stadium Club. Appreciate everybody that filled that one up. Congrats to all of our hitters. We will get those out as soon as possible.